I'm gonna start with me. Okay, hello guys. I'm at what's it called? Salt.
The salt. That's the name.
Asal?
The salt.
The Salik?
Yeah, that's the English person.
Okay, now okay, start again. Where are we?
The salt.
The Salik.
The
The Salik Kitfo. What's the name of the building? Okay, what about the style of the building? What's it? Kucho Kucho? And it's you said it's Gurage culture.
Yeah, it's Gurage tradition.
Okay. Mambo naitwa MAINGI kutoka Kenya. Salam MAINGI balalo Kenya name. So I'm here to do a vlog about Ethiopian food. We got I think Kitfo. Kitfo is like raw meat. It's raw meat, and I'm pretty excited to have some of that. Yeah. Okay, the place is kind of dark, so the lighting, hopefully it's like okay with you guys. So you were saying this is injera, Kitfo, Kocho. I? What's I? This is Ethiopian food. It looks amazing. The presentation is amazing, and they have like sort of like a banana leaf. I think somebody Koba. Koba. This is Surafel or Sura. Yeah, that's Sura. Yeah. And yeah, he's gonna be doing the vlog with me. Okay.
Hey, she's doing absolutely brilliant. This will be one of the fastest times in the world this year.
Unfortunately, it will look like for the second time in the space of a few days, she's just going to miss out. It's a terrific run, though. 3:54.78 for Gulab Sigai. It puts her second on the all-time list. She has the top.
Is gonna try the food, and so he's gonna. He's mixing it with the milk type thing. How is it? Well, it's good as always. This is what we're having. And this is raw meat, guys. I gotta emphasize, it's raw meat. Okay.
ዓለም አቀፍ ኦሎምፒክ ኮሚቴ የሩሲያ ስፖርተኞች በውሃ መድረኮች መታገድ አለባቸው የሚለው ውሳኔው ኦሎምፒክ የተቋቋመበትን ዓላማ መርህና ቻርተሩን የሚጥስ ነው ሲሉ የሩሲያ ኦሎምፒክ
So, Sura, tell us about the two injera. You told me there are two versions of them.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
This is the black injera, this is the white injera. Most of the places you find this one,
the white injera.
Yeah, most of the places in most of the houses.
But you told me that the black one is healthier.
Yeah,
Why?
It's healthier. I don't know. They told me that it's healthier.
Is this gurage?
Yeah, similar.
They use the they use the banana. Yeah. I mean, I feel like it's like okay. I like injera more. I like injera more.
ቀን ሰራተኛ ትይዛላችሁ፣ በጋራም ትሰራላችሁ። ተመልካቾቻችን እየተከታተላችሁ የምትገኙት የማሳ ዝግጅታችን ነው። የማሳ ዝግጅታችን ዛሬ የተገኘው በዚህ በምዕራብ ጎጃም ዞን ሰሜን ሜጫ ወረዳ ውስጥ የሚገኘው የቆጋ መስኖ ግዴ ሄክታር መሬት በማልማት 14,000 የሚጠጉ የአካባቢውን አርሶ አደሮች የሚጠጉ አርሶ አደሮችም የተለያዩ አትክልትና ፍራፍሬዎችን ለረጅም ዓመታት በሰፊው ሲያለሙ ነበር። ዛሬ ደግሞ እንደምትመለከቱት የመስኖ ስንዴ በመስኖ እያለሙ ነው የሚገኙት። አሁን እዚህ የምገኝበት አድባራ የተሰኘው ብሎክ ነው። ይህ ብሎክ እዚህ አካባቢ ያሉ አርሶ አደሮችን ተጠቃሚ እዚህ አካባቢ ያሉ መስኖ እንቅስቃሴውን በጋራ ያጸዳሉ። አጠቃላይ ያለውን ደግሞ ከአርሶ አደሮች ጋር እና ከባለሙያዎች ጋር በማደርገው ቆይታ ወደ እናንተ የማደርስ ነው የሚሆነው። አብራችሁ ቆዩ። ግብርና ከጀመረ ጀምሮ ምን ታለማለህ? አሁን ያለበት ሁኔታ ስለደም ንገር።
ያው ከአሁን ቀደም ድንች፣ ቃሪያ ለማለት አሁን ግን በዚህ ዓመት ግን ያው ክላስተር ተብሎ
So we are halfway done, right? So how are you doing so far? He's sweating. So again, this is all the food. This is the gurage bread thing. What the name I forgot? Kocho. And this is the raw meat. This is kitfo. I can't forget kitfo because it's kitfo. And then yeah, again the milk thing. So guys, as you can see, we're almost done with our injera right here. We finished most of the raw meat. And then we also have the side of the fish. Yeah, like this one. Okay, I'll just and this is a kosher for you guys. So guys, this is Shiro. This is eaten like every day, right?
Yeah, every day.
Like every day, every meal.
Yeah, every day.
Especially when people are like fasting, they don't eat meat, they eat Shiro. So this is Shiro, and I just wanted to show you guys what it is. Okay. So I'm having this more injera. So in Ethiopia, injera is in every meal. What exists here is Shiro. Shiro is like chickpeas which are cooked down. I don't know how to explain. And then they made it interesting. So I'm gonna have a first bite. It's the right way, yeah, it's the right way. I'm eating Shiro. And like you just pick it up. And this is a different kind of Shiro compared to the one I've had. This is thicker and it's not all soup. Injera Shiro. Simple. Sometimes you could have it with like a salad on the side, like tomatoes and onions and pepper. And then other times it's just simple like this. But people eat Shiro a lot. A lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. Good, Tony? Yeah. Okay, so guys, we got Sambusa here. Hopefully it tastes good. The Sambusas in Addis, like they're huge. Like, let me show you guys. This is this whole thing. Wow. Kenyan samosas are like triangles. They're small, and like it's only the meat part. So I got this for 10 birr. Asset birr. Or in Swahili shilingi kumi. It has like lentils inside. So I'm almost done with my samosa. It tastes. It has lentils. So fair warning. When you buy samosas in Ethiopia, it has lentils. Sometimes it doesn't have meat, but it's fasting season, so nobody's eating meat at this time. So it's not gonna happen. This tasty thing, when translated to English, in Kenya we call this a mandazi. It's good. Look at the inside. I would recommend have this with water because it's getting dry. And okay, I'm joking. So we have the third thing that I got. I do not know what it's called. I'm just gonna bite it. It has cabbage inside. No meat. You guys have like this Vietnamese. You know what? It is like a Vietnamese type thing. There's this snack I've had from Vietnam, and it's like the same thing. Cabbage inside. Okay, so I'm here with what I'm having is called Erteb. How much is it?
25 per or something like that.
This is 25. Okay, my whole life has just changed. For those subscribers from Kenya, this is like 50 shillings for this whole thing. And those in Korea, this is like 500 won. It's like it's so affordable. So here they have like potato chips, and they mix that with onions right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Potato chips mixed with onions, and then they made like a sandwich Okay. So I'm just gonna bite into it. It's heaven. I'm just gonna have another bite. Now, I got an Erteb while it was still fasting season, so they don't have anything special in it. After fasting season, they will add eggs on it and stuff like that. But because it's fasting season, you will not eat. It will not have meat or anything. Eating the Erteb. Yeah. And yeah, I'm almost finished. It's very filling. I recommend it. If you want something that fills you up, guys, mambo naitwa MAINGI, natoka Kenya. Salam MAINGI Balalo, Kenyan. So today I'm gonna do a food vlog about. Okay, we're having breakfast. I'm joined by two people and they're awesome and all that. You guys should introduce yourselves.
Hey, hello, my name is Fernanda and I'm from Ecuador.
You're from Ecuador, and
My name is Jasper. And
Jasper from Germany. Okay, so guys, what are we here to do?
So we are having breakfast in a very local place.
What? Was it spicy?
Yeah, I'm not sure if it was this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think this one, yeah.
This one is
Chili.
spicy.
Yeah, very spicy.
I am enjoying this. It's so good. Okay, so guys, I'm in Ethiopia. I'm in Addis Ababa. We have cabbage. We have something that looks like salad, kachumbari. I don't know if you guys have been to Kenya or Tanzania or Lower East Africa. This looks like kachumbari. We have lentils, and then we have more lentils on this side. This is spicy lentils. We have potatoes, and then we have rice here. I have not tried that, but I'm gonna try mixing it with the rice. Oh, I did not do that well. I am doing well. That's good. Right? So guys, we've just been eating and enjoying. I don't even know where this place is, but I want to promote it. We're in Higher and what's the name of the place? That's the name of the place. Okay, Maya Maria. Reading skills are not as good, but yeah. So we've been eating and we've had so much of the food. We still have a lot of the kachumbari left, a lot of the lentils left, but we've been. Oh, the potatoes are all gone. Nobody ate the cabbage though. Oh, she ate the cabbage. Oh. So yeah, we finished most of the Shiro because the Shiro is really good. I recommend when you move to Addis, or if you live in Addis, try have some Shiro. It's like everybody has it, and it sounds boring, but it's good. So guys, look at this. We finished almost all the food. Then we got full. I tried it. Okay, guys, we are environmentally conscious, and we try to have as little food waste as possible. But we couldn't finish it, unfortunately, because we're full. And the food was good. And it's all done. And yeah, I guess that's it. I don't even know what the food's called. Like, he called it a combo, right?
Combo, yeah.
Yeah.
It was a combo. Yeah.
And in the middle was Shiro.
There was Shiro. In the middle there was Shiro.
Start.
There you go. Okay, so guys, I wanted to introduce you guys. It's Fetteh. This is
Yeah, Fetteh, yeah.
Fetteh. This is Fetteh. And we're having it for breakfast in Ethiopia. It has eggs, it has yogurt, it has a thing here, it has this thing. This is bread? Yeah. Oh, okay. It looks good. I'm gonna try the first bite.
Oh my god.
That's good.
Wow. He's in love. He's in heaven.
I'm gonna have one more bite and that's it.
2 more is fine. 1. He is in heaven.
Oh my god.
He's in food heaven.
Okay, one more bite.
Yeah, of course. Start eating. That's called starting eating.
You can't believe his eyes.
This is amazing. You guys should try this if you ever visit Addis.
He is in heaven.
Oh my god.
He's in food heaven.
Okay, one more bite.
Yeah, of course. Stariri. That's called stariri.